another flavor facility. So if you don't know what flavor facility is, running around the map, hacking some computer. The person that's stopping you with a hammer, you will be dying. In an exit, but anyway, if you guys doing a like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe. You want to subscribe. But anyway, what map should we do? This map yet, so we'll have this map. Okay. Also, what's it called again? Oh, the video that I made, the red did it today, so yes, that's why there's Christmas hats. That's why me and Talia are wearing Christmas hats. So, we're still waiting right now. Camp Blackpig, this is when we got YT's camp, also go subscribe to him. Here's a Christmas tree. A no secret. Ooh, what's this? Wait, what? Okay guys, so I've checked that in there and it's a dead end, but what's wrong? We found a secret. I think that deserves a like or a not how we can actually do all with this, but we found a secret layer. Any fake walls? Any fake walls? No. Now go check it out for yourselves. Wait. Oh no, it's just not. Anyway, right, someone else is here. I'm just going to finish go and see what the item is. Oh, yeah. I'm going to be asking anyway, so I might as well just tell them. Okay, and that's when all the friend requests starts coming in. Okay. Oh, that's just mess. So well, guys. That went so soon as we come. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Right, so now let's jump up here. Now, Beast is over there. We come into here. And I can't see a thing. Oh no, you're going to call. Please, thank you. Where's this computer? So that bingo. Want me to? I don't get when it does that. Dang it! No. So let's see red light just run over them. I don't get when it does that. So right now I just found the beast. Oh well, the beast found me. Oh, for the love of God, help! Where's Pony Girl? Oh. Scroll. Okay, I can't see a bleeding thing. Why is this map so dark? Got 3 computers left. I've only hacked some of the computers. Just an abandoned house or something. Oh, so dark. Oh, no. Why do you want to be trapped in a tube? Why do you want to be trapped? Why? Okay, no. There's no chance for it. No! I'm sorry. Okay, don't work in capitals. Speed downs. Come on! No! But that's going down now. Expect someone to come in that amount of time. Come on, thank you. Over here. Hack. TY, thank you. Hey, we're hacking this computer fab. Hacking. Come on, dude. No. I wish it was away. Oh. Rip me. Yeah. Rip me. Bye. How long do I actually have left? Oh wait, I can't check. Okay. So I'm just going to check how long we have left. The video will. Okay, so we have about 10 minutes left and we've got a timer there, so if it's different, yeah, that will be the end of the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and around it. it's actually a pretty good idea that I did pause it. Otherwise, I've just been talking in chat to these people. Laser, these two, and yeah. Just telling that we have a 40-second intermission. How come it's so long? Also, Moon Love You May Want is also recording right now. So yeah, all of you go for. Excuse me. So all of you go. What's this? Okay, that went pretty fast. 15 more seconds. Dan Homestead, Mr. Okay. I believe I'm recording now because, well, I don't know. God's sake. Beast, keep leaving. I honestly do. These beasts, see you when we're in the, and I'll give that comment a heart. Alright, let's go around here because if the beast comes, we've got a cool hack. Look, we press A. Hacking, we're hacking. Beast, why? Please, no. No. Why, Moon Love You? Come on, we can still do this. Why? No, go. Please, just hack away, just hack. I just need to find an exit. Oh, there's an exit down here. That's amazing. Hopefully the beast doesn't. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Right, bingo. Ha ha ha. Escaped. Game is over. Hey. Survivors win. EL. XD. Smile with your fill. Okay, there you go. Can we reset? In math. What is this girl all about? Okay, let's just choose any blah blah blah. End it in 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Well, it's probably not 10. Let's open this door. Left. Okay, so I'm going to end it here. Who wants to do my outro? Come on. I'll give you until intermission's over. Who wants to do my outro? Go to the back. Why? Come on. Go to the back of this. It's just click shift. If it is right is wrong, and eventually. Anyone want to do it? No? Anyone want to do it? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, in today's video, videos, let me know in the comments down below what videos you want to see. In fact, I've already uploaded a video, another I've uploaded this, so yeah, be sure to check. Phoning the police, get us out. Anyone want to say bye? Anyone want to say bye to 10, 9, 5, 2, 1. No. Oh, so much, guys. Next time. Out.